Hello guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. I hope you guys have been having a good start to your new year, and happy new year to all of you. And let's get on with this video. But before that, let me address this upload schedule problem of my channel. And don't worry about it, my new resolution for this year is at least upload 5 videos a week. And my exams are over now, so I'll be able to upload way more content than I usually am able to. So let's get on with this video tutorial. First of all, I'm gonna open up my terminal and let's introduce today's topic. It's going to be lists and dictionaries. Lists and dictionaries are actually two very important topics in Python and in almost every program that you will code in your future in Python. It is going to have lists and dictionaries no matter what. So let's get on with it. So let's introduce lists, but let me first get my interactive shell first. So what are lists? List is the most versatile data type available in Python. It has comma separated values and is a simple demonstration. So if we assign a variable a and we're going to assign this variable a list, so this list is going to be of numbers, and if I hit enter, this is going to be a list. Now what this happens is you can store various values in just one variable and you can iterate through them. So what you guys would want to do here is, the best part about list is that it doesn't have to be all integers or all strings. So I can make a list such as, actually, you know what, let's assign a different variable name. And when you guys actually start taking this stuff seriously and start coding for real, take better variable names than I do, and let's get on with it. So if I make a string over here and 1 2, and let's go with another string and hit enter. So if we call b, this is going to be our list. So it doesn't matter how many types of data, how many different type of data types you have in the string. This is actually very dynamic and you guys can perform multiple operations on it. And thank you. You guys can perform multiple operations on it. For example, let's say we have a, let me call the value of a, and we type append. So what this is going to do is add another whatever the value you pass on it as a function, and it will add this in a. So if I call to a again, and you see that a has been added to 23. Now what if I don't want the whole list printed out every time? What if I only want the first variable or the first item? So what we would do is call a, get the square brackets, and take the positional argument. So anything that you guys enter in this list, these are assigned positional values. So every list, just like an array, which I will explain later, starts with 0. So this starts with 0 1 2 3 4 5. So if I hit a0, it will give me this. This doesn't create a new list because I'm calling the 0th element in this list. If I do, let's just say 4, we get the 6th. So 0 1 2 3 4. What if I enter something that we don't have? For example, we don't have 10. List is out of index range. So this gives you out an error. So you keep in mind to just handle these errors properly. By the way, I cleared my terminal only in Linux by hitting Control L. And let's go to B again. You guys can, like I said, perform a lot of operations such as let's just clear this list out, clear. Whoa. What? This should have worked. I don't know why it didn't. That's pretty weird. Anyways, I'm gonna look into that later. Let's go with more examples. So you go here and let's put in fruits name, apples, and what else, bananas, wow, I don't remember, pineapples, and hit enter. There we go, we have our fruits. You guys can perform many other operations that will be very handy for you in the future. So if I reverse this, which I hope works, fruits, and there you go, pineapple is in the first or the 0th position and apples in the second position. So reverse works, so I don't know why clear didn't work. So if I type in fruits dot sort, hit enter, call for fruits again, uh, it will sort this in the same order that okay, what this will do is look through okay, I'm gonna have to collect my thoughts here, hold on a moment. What this is going to do is take every alphabet, the first alphabet of every item, and arrange this in the ascending or descending order as you specify, so you guys can pass on other what do you say, arguments to it. You guys can also, I suppose, if this supports, okay, we were doing fruits, right? Yeah, fruits. So fruits dot, let's say, pop bananas, and let's pop this out. Wait, what's up? Maybe we have to put in the integer field 1 and hit enter. Yep, banana has been popped out. So all of these functions are already built in for you in the Python language itself, so this can come in very handy, and you guys can build your stacks and queues with it, and these functions can help you a lot in that. I will be teaching about stacks and queues maybe in later dates. So let's get on with dictionaries. Dictionaries are actually quite similar to what do you say, lists, but the main difference is that the position, there is no, you cannot call a dictionary item through its position. So let me define a dictionary first. So this is a dict or dictionary. This will be defined in curly braces, and what happens is that every item has a key value, so you guys can either call a call an item through its key value, or call a key value through its item. So let's just say apples, or this will say tasty, hit comma, then say pineapples. Don't put on pizza. Going with the meme here, guys. And this is a dict. I should have chosen a smaller variable. And if I call apples through, okay, so either this can act as a key or this can act as an item, it doesn't matter, they're both interchangeable. You guys can use the same functions such as append and pop. Let's try this out first. This dict dot append. I don't think it will work here, but let's just try. Hello, hold. Yeah, I didn't. What functions do we use for appending? There has to be one. Oh, I totally forgot about them. Yep, I totally did. But anyways, so those were dictionaries, and I'm gonna end this video on this short note, a half-ass video. I'm gonna be exploring dictionaries and lists way more, but in a little more comprehensive, way, because you guys, this is actually quite boring, just listing out a variable and just declaring a dictionary or declaring a list. When we're actually be doing a project, like I said, we'll be creating a spider, then we'll be using lists, not dictionaries maybe, but lists a lot. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, like this video. If you don't, dislike this video, and have a happy new year, guys. Bye bye.